In the world of additive manufacturing, there's a handful of unmissable conferences every year. In Europe, there's just one. Sharpest minds. Best practice use cases, what's functioning now, what will come for the future. With a focus on the key issues the AM industry is enjoying today, from design to simulation and future materials, to the successful move to serial, the spread of automated workflows, and the status of post-production and quality control. The AM Forum is the heartbeat of additive manufacturing in Europe. Here are key updates from industry heavyweights. Take part in masterclasses with AM experts and experience panels with business leaders. Benefit from unique networking opportunities at the AM Forum in Berlin, where everyone is at the table. In 2019, we arrived at true serial production. Discover what's coming next at AM Forum 2020.